right, we are just mashing up our pumpkin donut holes in our 9x13. We want to make sure that these get nice and crushed. All right, that looks perfect. I'm gonna bring in my spatula and we're gonna just kind of make sure that we have a nice layer of those crushed donut holes on the bottom of our pan.
Oh, they smell so good.
Oh my gosh, yes. All right, that looks perfect. We're gonna move this to the side and bring in a bowl and a whisk. And I have here 2 boxes of our no-bake classic cheesecake that we are going to rip open. We're just using the cheesecake mixture. We're not using the graham cracker crumbs. You can save that for another dessert, but we're gonna make sure that we get all 2 of these little bags emptied into our bowl. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna bring in my measuring cup, and you need 3 cups of liquid, but instead of milk, we're gonna use our pumpkin spice latte. Just make sure it is chilled in your fridge before we do this. So we have 1 jar, and don't worry, I have another jar. We're gonna just pour that until we get our 3 cups, which is almost 2 jars completely. And we're gonna pour this into our cheesecake mixture. So we have pumpkin donuts, pumpkin spice latte. This is gonna be so delicious. It is gonna have all of the good sweets in there. This is for people that love sweet treats like me. And we're just mixing this together. Now that pumpkin spice latte does have coffee in it, so that's what's gonna make this really, really tasty. So we gotta make sure we whisk this together until it is fully combined, and then you know it, it's gonna go on top of those delicious donuts. It's almost like breakfast for dessert. I love this recipe. This looks like it is well combined. It smells so good. I love anything pumpkin. We're gonna move back our delicious donut crust, and then this is gonna go right on top. All right. And in order for this to set, we're gonna put this in the fridge for at least 1 hour. All right, this has completely set, and my husband decided to go in and stick his finger in there. That's totally fine.
I'm sorry, it just looks so delicious.
Now I'm gonna bring in some homemade whipped cream, and we're gonna do like some dollops of whipped cream, cover up our mistakes, and I'm just gonna do a little bit on each kind of slice that we're gonna make. And we have plenty of homemade whipped cream for later. Last but certainly not least, we're gonna just add a little bit of our pumpkin pie spice, just a nice little sprinkle. Look how just beautiful that makes this look. Oh my goodness. Breakfast for dessert. Ooh. So let's go ahead and cut a slice. We should be able to just cut right through it. All right. Come in with our spatula. Woo. Okay. It's a little messy, but we got it. All right. I don't think I let it set long enough. I only had it in there for like 30 minutes. So you guys do as I say, not as I do, and let it set for an hour. But let's try this out.
Is it good?
That is really, really good. You just have to try it.